Ever wondered if your macOS apps are snooping on your private data? It's more common than you think. Join us as we investigate which popular apps might be quietly invading your privacy. We'll reveal how your data could be at risk and provide recommendations for more secure alternatives. Stay informed and protect your personal information. Your digital life might depend on it. Some Mac OS apps have a sneaky habit of collecting far more personal data than they should, often without asking for your clear permission. But don't worry, we're here to uncover some of the worst privacy offenders lurking on your Mac and guide you towards secure, privacy-respecting alternatives. Let's take back control of our data together. Leading the pack is Clean My Mac X, a well-regarded cleaning utility for macOS users. Known for its ability to optimize system performance by clearing out junk files, managing extensions, and monitoring system health. Clean My Mac X is a go-to tool for many looking to maintain a clutter-free Mac. However, it's not all smooth sailing with this utility. The privacy concern. While Clean My Mac X is effective in tidying up your Mac, it has a less commendable reputation for data collection. This includes tracking your app usage and collecting personal information, which could raise red flags for those who value their privacy. A safer alternative. Consider switching to App Cleaner. This free, lightweight application focuses solely on uninstallation without the privacy trade-offs. It effectively removes applications and their associated files, ensuring your system remains clean without compromising your personal data. App Cleaner offers a streamlined, user-friendly experience for those wary of more intrusive options. Next is Adobe Flash Player. Even though Adobe Flash Player is now obsolete and officially discontinued, you might still find it lurking on some Macs. Flash Player is infamous for its numerous security flaws that can leave your data wide open to hackers, making it a significant threat if it remains on your system. If Flash Player is still installed on your Mac, it's urgent to remove it right away to protect your information from potential breaches. Alternative. For those who need to access legacy Flash content, Ruffle is an excellent and much safer alternative. Ruffle is an open-source Flash Player emulator that allows you to enjoy older Flash media without exposing your system to the vulnerabilities associated with Adobe Flash Player. Mac Keeper pitches itself as a tool to optimize and protect your Mac. However, its reputation is tarnished by intrusive advertising and aggressive data collection, leading many users to question its trustworthiness. So, why seek an alternative? MacKeeper's intrusive pop-ups and controversial data practices have frustrated many. If you value your privacy and prefer a less aggressive approach to system maintenance, it's wise to look for a more reputable option. A better choice. Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes stands out as a superior alternative. Renowned for its powerful malware detection and user-friendly interface, Malwarebytes delivers robust protection without compromising your privacy or bombarding you with ads. Choose Malwarebytes for a cleaner, safer, and more respectful security solution. Hola VPN offers free VPN services, but there's a steep hidden cost: your privacy. This app has faced severe criticism for selling user bandwidth and potentially compromising personal data. Using Hola VPN could unwittingly enlist you into a botnet, putting your online security and privacy at significant risk. Safer alternative. Proton VPN. Proton VPN's free tier provides robust privacy protections, ensuring your data remains private and secure without the hidden dangers associated with Hola VPN. Choose Proton VPN for peace of mind and true data protection. Next up is CCleaner. CCleaner used to be the go-to for computer cleaning and optimization. Its reputation for effectively clearing clutter and speeding up systems made it a favorite. However, Its image has been tarnished by serious privacy concerns, including notable data breaches and controversial telemetry practices that could put your personal information at risk. With these privacy red flags, it's crucial to consider safer alternatives for maintaining your system's health without compromising your data. Alternative: OniX. Enter OniX, a free and powerful tool that delivers robust system cleaning and optimization while keeping your personal data secure. Designed for those who value privacy as much as performance, OniX ensures your system stays tidy and efficient without the shadow of privacy invasions. Remember TrueCrypt? Once hailed as a stalwart in encryption, TrueCrypt's journey took a twist due to security apprehensions and fears of potential vulnerabilities. In the wake of its discontinuation, many have opted for safer alternatives. Alternative: VeraCrypt. This is an actively maintained fork of TrueCrypt, offering enhanced security and regular updates. This version aims to be both informative and engaging, emphasizing the transition from TrueCrypt to VeraCrypt while highlighting the enhanced security features of the latter. uTorrent is widely used for downloading torrents, but it has a history of bundling adware and compromising user privacy. For a cleaner experience, consider switching to an alternative torrent client. Alternative: qBittorrent. If you're tired of unwanted extras and want a smoother ride, it might be time to switch gears. Enter qBittorrent, an open source champion that's totally free of adware and puts your privacy first. With qBittorrent, you can download with peace of mind, knowing your experience is clean and secure. Zoom became immensely popular during the pandemic, but it faced numerous privacy scandals, including issues with data encryption and unwanted data sharing. If you're concerned about privacy, try a more secure video conferencing app. Alternative: Jitsi Meet, an open-source gem in the realm of virtual gatherings. Built on transparency and security, Jitsi Meet ensures your video calls remain encrypted and your data stays yours, unexposed to unwarranted sharing. Evernote is a popular note-taking app, but its privacy policy allows extensive data access, raising concerns for sensitive information. For better data privacy, consider switching to a more secure note-taking app. Alternative: Standard Notes. Dive into Standard Notes, an alternative that champions data security with robust end-to-end encryption and stringent privacy controls, ensuring your notes remain truly yours. Lastly, Avast Antivirus. Despite its popularity, Avast has been caught selling user data through its subsidiary, JumpShot. For a more privacy-respecting antivirus solution, look elsewhere. Alternative: Bitdefender. Renowned for its robust malware defense and stringent privacy policies, Bitdefender stands tall as a beacon of security. Don't compromise on privacy. Make the switch today. Your data deserves better. While choosing safer apps is a great start, here are some best practices to keep your macOS secure. Regularly update software. Ensure all your apps and macOS itself are up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. Check app permissions. Review and manage app permissions to minimize data exposure. Read privacy policies. Before installing any app, check its privacy policy for clarity on data collection practices. Use security tools. Consider additional security tools like firewalls and antivirus software to enhance protection. Protecting your privacy on macOS doesn't have to be difficult. By choosing apps that respect your data, you can enjoy a safer, more secure experience. Share your thoughts and comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more privacy tips. Thanks for watching.